Okay, I'm back. I spoke to a nice person at the other end of, the phone, obviously, to answer some questions, and I now have an answer to this one, and I'm going to write it down. So the answer to is that one is for someone who knows nothing about tech, and the other is for a programmer, which I can definitely do. And I asked a couple of other clarifying questions, which I think there was nothing surprising going on. All right, so what's my next action? My next action is actually, I did all of those. I've got to work out what the actual plan is. So the plan is actually just to draft the application. Oh, I also did do some copy paste from previous applications. Put through simple writer, ask cat for comments. Oh, I just ask for comments, really. I don't have to ask everybody for comments, do I? Alright, let's draft the application then. So, this is the Word document I made, which contains all of the questions. And we should do our best to answer them. Alright, so, Texture Uniter's application. Problem we're trying to solve is this one. I'm happy with that because it's a fairly standard set, 109 words, great. I do want to put in, I have put in something about devices being difficult to edit because that's there. So what's our solution to the problem? Our solution is, I'm using Voca here, and I should, some of this is copied and pasted, so actually I'm going to take this out. I'm going to say speech aid. Existing devices, device editing software of the user's friends. Okay, so what's our solution? The Open Voice Factory. That's how old some of this text is that I'm editing. It's from a previous. It's from a previous name. I'm going to set up a new speech aid. Okay, I'll work it down as one of our PowerPoint templates because we've got to get this in. So that's going to be 200 words, and I think it's probably about 400. 300. Okay, it's not too bad. The Open Voice Factory in a simple. Oh, because my page sets Open Voice Factory, which will produce a web page. Fucker. There's speech aid. Which can, this is just English editing I'm doing now, right? Which can be downloaded. Hey. Oh, I'd like to put that in. On the speech aid. There's no source speech, which is pretty terrible in the circumstances. Okay, we're just going to take that out. Listing speech aids. Okay, here's the thing. I have to go back. So my solution should use some of these words, shouldn't I? So I want to talk about equality. Oh, shift the balance of power. I think I can use that. Alright. Our solution shifts the balance of power. Power to users. To users. So it's allowing them to generate their own speech aids by uploading customized PowerPoint templates to our website. It downloads A. So any other nice little phrases in there? User, social and financial value. So this currently talks about user value. I don't think I'm going to have things. I think I'm going to do this. Tomato edit. Information on the A. Template. Re-uploading it. And basics. I need to put the word free in there. Free. It's free. It's free. Easy to use and approved, highly desirable. And we can get rid of that. Alright, so I've got some text. Alright, so that's my solution text. It is currently 210 words, but let's see if we can't do better with our secret weapon, which is the XKCD Simple Writer. Never use an extra word. There's a sensible reason to use the XKCD Simple Writer as well, which is our project is about people with limited ability to communicate, right? We should be able to do exactly what we can with just the important things. It's to make a new speech aid. Download a PowerPoint template and customizes it. And makes any changes the user would like. And that should be just a straightforward e.g. The name, age, names from November, favourite. Memories. I want to say cherished memories. Or cherished memories. I don't like cherished in there. Favourite memories. That template is then and changed into a full free web-based. We are just editing stuff now. Can it be downloaded to a user's device or used as a web app? No, it can be used online or downloaded to a user device. That's fewer words, isn't it? It can be viewed, or it can be used on any internet connected platform, on any with internet access. Installation or any setup. Okay, so let's make their own speech aids and speech aid by uploading customized. Alright, let's take that away and put it in here. Are we going to change that 140 words to? Yeah, that's probably enough on its own. Is that now under 200 words? It is now under 200 words. However, I am going to check this as well to see if I can reduce the number of words in it. I can change the PowerPoint file again and re-upload it without fear of having much more relaxed. I don't want, it's not much more confident, is it? It's this empowers, this makes which means it's going to work as on my own. Let's update paid sets. Add more words and keep the add more words and keep vocabulary going up to date. Oh, it's date now. It's also, has been rated. I desirable doing this. Plan. Approach. Yes. Solves the key issues with existing current. Which is fine. Alright, so that's improved the language there. That's improved the language there, but we need to know if we're doing much more. So, let me just check some. Yeah, okay, we're good. Right. Oh, hang on, am I missing a... Oh no, that is... I thought... How do we know people want our solution? Alright, well, let's start with... Moreover, the online demos of the Open Voice Factory have proved very popular with over oh, it just needs a colon, doesn't it? Over 1,000, over 1,000, over 1,000. It's the online testing ranges. That's the first thing to do. I wonder. I don't know people, how do I know people want a solution? Well, alright, so they want to know that this is from the user perspective. Oh, and we haven't actually mentioned the users there. And during our focus groups with users, they identified a range of issues that the Open Voice Factory has been designed to accommodate. That's why I think that. Oh, I now need to talk about volunteers. And I need to talk about funders. So let's pop those here. I don't need to talk about funders, but I'm going to talk about focus groups. Alright, one of signs of community, that's a good one, interest is the wide selection of contributions we receive from volunteers. That's true. In the last week, we've received, it's in the last month, let's go. Translations of our templates in Dutch and Thai, which was pretty cool. We've received unexpected translations. Unexpected. To Dutch and Thai. Programming assistance from a growing community of app programmers interested in making a contribution. Certainly, if it weren't for volunteer programmers, we'd have shut down. Face that.
Right, have I in terms of evaluation of our approach and business model, we were flattered to receive the Nesta let's finish strong. We are very clear that we see a clear and present need. Always clear and present's always nice to do. That's a Doug Cowie reference. I picked that up from him. For our solution, and we have been pleased that this has been endorsed by Nesta, who awarded us the Inclusive Technology Prize in where's the trophy? I don't even know I have the trophy in here. And Nominate, who included us in the Nominate 100, and the, is it 15 Everyday Heroes? Let me have a Google. Reddington Nominate Everyday. Design Everyday Hero. Let's find out. There's me. Everyday Tech Hero. Made. Made our project leader. Everyday Tech Hero. Right. We included this project and our coordinator, Dr. Joe Reddington, in the Everyday Tech Heroes list. Put any on the end? Yeah, we got. Right, is that 200 words? No, look at that. Extra couple of words in there. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, we don't need during. The focus groups we ran as focus groups with care staff and therapist gave unanimous opinion. As of everything as in software. And focus groups with speech aid users identified up several issues which has been created to fulfill, solve, deal with. Moreover, just the demos of speech aid demos
have proved very popular. Just have been accessed by over 1,000 people. Allowing us to find errors and test the features. No, that's basically what I'm saying. Alright, let's try that again. Alright. Deal with that. Alright, so that's definitely going to be under the 200 words now, but let me see if I can reword the second part anyway. One of the major signs are big. Sign of is the contributions we receive from volunteers. The help we received from volunteers. And last month we received surprise translations of our templates to Dutch and Thai, as well as programming assistance, programming help from a growing group of programmers, programming help from programmers. Technical, interested in technical help, because they're interested in making a contribution, that's what they are. We see a clear and present name for our work, and we've been pleased that this has been endorsed by Nesta, and nominate. Included this, included our work in the this is why I like simple writer. You utterly change the structure of what you write. Alright, that is 200 words on how do I know people want our solution. Alright. And I have phoned about that. I'm going to take a small look. Oh, what I should do is check that. Are you looking at the right thing? Yes, you are. You're looking at desktop and me. We will get back to this properly in a minute. Alright. Tech project in its current stage of development. Alright. What am I doing? Oh, hang on. I want to say comic relief. Who? What's the name of the comic relief program? I should know this. Comic relief technical program. Let's have a look. Gotta add all of the people who like you. Comic relief technical. I'm a little careful about how do I know people want our solution. I say focus groups and surveys. I want to also say, and other people have funded us. It's not you should fund us because other people have funded us. It's you should feel relaxed because other people have also checked this. Who have added us to the 208 Tech for Good cohort. Right. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 down, 5 to go.
I'm just dealing with, I think, actually what I'm doing is I'm favoriting something on Twitter, but let's sort this out now. Select all, copy. Three questions down and 5 left on. I appreciate this is fascinating to watch. I just need to reply to this. /live. Alright, where do we get to? So, done 1, done 2, done 3, done less. Our online platform, which is a website, simple PHP script to accept and upload a PowerPoint file and pass it to our the open voice factories architecture is effectively that of a compiler with a Python front end. This is going to get very technical. Python front end and a that accepts a point file and creates an intermediate form, and a JavaScript backend that reads the intermediate form and presents it to the user as a speech aid. The front end relies heavily on the open source library Python PPTX, which we paid some code bounties to improve. The intermediate form that is created is the open board format is now the open board format, an open source effort to improve speech aid compatibility that we are supporting. JavaScript is currently undergoing a large results. It's a JSON based knowledge. But it's very low tech. It's currently very good. Speech synthesis is provided by Google for the online version. How many words is that? Because there's a fair understanding of the architecture of the process. 150. No problem. We have a working prototype and are effectively in beta testing and working through medical device registration. Alright, who's in my team? So that's copied and pasted. Let's do me first. Shall I do me first? I feel impressive. Dr. Joseph Reddington is our former academic who has written extensively on speech aids, the availability in the UK and the ethics surrounding them. Really? Availability? Availability? Yeah? No? There we go. Alright. Starting to get a bit blocked because I'm talking about me. And template designer, get McCallum of the speech aid users voice. Yep. He is the elder brother of a speech aid user and has. Why the right people? I think that's me done that. I'm going to do Greg Nipton is an experienced developer who is a senior developer. I think he's older than me, certainly. It's hard to tell. He's a senior developer who has experience designing and creating medical devices, running and registering. Media devices, medical media. This is a USB stick. I've got some more work spare there. Where's the digital tech experience in your home? Dr. Reddington is has a PhD in computer science and has taught and quality time as a digital charity. Deliver equality. He worked he was worked as a researcher in programming language design. His code and moved over to the ethics of user testing and user testing of interventions. Brain is for Joe. We do. None. It's hard to do this one, really, isn't it? I'm just like, do I put in the Saki bit? Do I say, yeah, we're pretty good on our technology? Do we leave it? Not sure. Yeah. If we're marked down, we're never going to win anyway. It's only 100 words. Who will your solution help? Use. Why is open? Will provide free speech aids to people currently without them, and it will improve the experience. We'll be able to talk. People who can't currently tell their family that they love them will be able to. They will also be able to tell a doctor their symptoms or make simple choices like what to have for dinner. In particular, Have I at least said there's... Oh, I haven't actually put in the important bit. That's kind of fair. About 23 people in the UK alone who would benefit from a powered speech aid. However, only about 9,000. These figures are now getting a bit old. I should probably get them updated. Who do? I should check that because I'm not convinced. What do I normally say? I always get confused between 8 and 9,000. Okay, apparently the same number as there are jihadists. That would be no, put Reddington in there. Oh no, it's not. I've got the numbers wrong. Yeah, I've remembered it now. There are about 32,000 people. That's where the 23 comes in. 23,000 people who haven't got access to one. Chiefly because of cost or waiting lists or lack of support. We can help these people. We also reduce costs for commissioning organizations, and we reduce workload for care workers. Fair enough. I'm getting a little bit fatigued. No, 700, fine. Ugh, I have no idea. Oh, some of these are starred. Why are they starred? £5,000. £45,000. What is the total cost of this project? It was 62 plus 45, which is £107,000. Let's go with 16. No, I need to ring about this. Ring about that. And in fact, I will. I'm gonna blank out if that's okay, and ring you and ring these people. No, there's got to be a thing online about how long the project should be. Should we try it? And conversion to do. Investments. Yeah, fine. Is this in the FAQ? I'm going to ring about it, but I'm going to write 12 months in. that I fill in online. Brief description of your organisation and its core activities. Equality time was created to develop techniques to social problems. Oh, increase equality. Disability, creative writing, and creative writing. Oh, current. Creative writing. And English as an additional language. I don't know how obvious it is that I am sweating profusely in this extremely hot environment. But I am not a comfortable man. I don't know how to answer this. I might just tweet that. Yeah. Camera. Right, that is a third draft. So I'm going to save it as. I'm going to pop it into the thing. Let's call it V0.2. Now I've saved it. It's going up into Apply Social Tech, so that everyone can do something on it. And then I will finish it tomorrow, because what's going to happen now I've drafted it, is I'll put it through Simple Writer. I'm going to send it to someone and ask them for comments, which I can't do on this account. Alright. Oh, it's always silly. Alright, that's the end of right, that's the end of this live stream. I am going to stop streaming shortly. Thank you for listening. If you have any tips or questions, please tell me what I was doing wrong. Alright.